So there's this law that went into place in Missouri just a few months ago called the Second Amendment Preservation Act. All right. Now, some of your opponents have been trying to falsely claim that you oppose this thing or something like that. What the law does is it basically stops federal laws that would restrict gun ownership. And it would hold anybody that tries to enforce said laws, like for any federal gun control laws, financially liable for up to $50,000 if they try to do that. So I want to just hear it straight from you. I mean, I would imagine you support this thing, and as governor, you were like the leading voice on pushing this. So tell us your thoughts on the Second Amendment Preservation Act, where you stand on it, and we'll have a couple more questions on this, and we got other stuff to talk about too.
Yeah, 100%, Matt. Look, where I stand has always been clear. I support the Second Amendment. In fact, I'm the strongest supporter of the Second Amendment in this race. I'm the only person in my race who's ever carried a weapon in combat when I served as a Navy SEAL. I carry here at home, and I support the Second Amendment Preservation Act. We need to be out there. The Second Amendment Protection Act is essential, and I am behind it, period. In fact, I support any legislation that strengthens our ability to protect ourselves, our families, our property. Because, look, our forefathers had enough foresight to recognize that an armed citizenry was essential to liberty. And like President Trump, I also support our police officers. When I was governor, I defeated Black Lives Matter. I defeated Antifa. And like President Trump, we also have to fight against leftists who want to attack the police. We got to fight against leftists who want to target and prosecute and attack our police officers just for doing their job. So the fact is, Matt, here in Missouri, people who support the Second Amendment, they support me. They recognize that I'm the only fighter in this race. They don't want RINOs. They don't want career politicians. And frankly, it's because I'm a fighter that I'm dominating this race, and it's why you'll see the RINOs come and attack me. It's why we're up by 30 points in the polls. It's why we're dominating this race. So 100% behind the Second Amendment, and we'll fight for it every day.